Hello friend, welcome back. I'm sure you must not be aware about this feature of Selectors Hub, which is a very good time saver feature as well as like quite innovative kind of thing. So you see, when you write any XPath in Selectors Hub, here let's say you inspected any element and you want to write XPath for that particular element. Like for an example, we inspect this element and this is the auto generated XPath by Selectors Hub. So you click on this and you, let's say you are editing this one and you found this, okay, this is working, but you want to edit something in this XPath, or let's say you are writing your own XPath here. Let's say for an example, we have written this one and you want to add, let's say, one more condition in this, name is equal to like this. Okay, we have written this XPath. Now let's say you got any idea that you don't want to write this XPath, you want to explore something more. In that case, if you have to write new XPath apart from this, let's say this is one XPath, one type of XPath we have written, okay, but now if we have to write a new XPath but at the same time we want to save this XPath as well, so what we generally do, we copy this XPath, we open a notepad and we paste that XPath there, right? Generally we always do, and then we will delete this XPath from here. Then we start writing a new XPath. Like suppose we want to build a XPath with respect to this one, user email and then this, so or anything you do, like let's say for an example we write this and let's say we want to use the title now. Okay, so this is the new XPath, but now we think that previous XPath could be good, or we want to edit something in the previous XPath. In that case, again you will have to go here, copy this and then paste it here. Now we will miss the new XPath which we have written. So in this scenario, how can we save this XPath here in Selectors itself, so that we will not have to open a notepad and go back and forth and we will not lose any XPath. So here in Selectors Hub we have this feature which you can use to save the value of selectors or XPath, anything what you are writing here you can save in Selectors Hub itself, and whenever you come back or whenever you want you can get that. So here you see that plus icon here, so that is like save selector in list. You can save this selector here itself. You just click on this and the value got saved, and here you click and you will see the value is here. Now if you want to write a new XPath, you can delete this one, you select or write anything. Let's say you want to save this value as well, you can click and the value is saved here. And now you want to edit, let's say previous one, you can just click on this and the value will come here. Again you want to edit or do something in this, you can do that. So this way whenever you want you can save the value, edit the value, anything you want you can do that here. Like let's say you want to write a new XPath for any other element. Okay, we are writing for this, you can simply click on this and anything you want to edit in this you can edit. And you, let's say you want to save this value, click on this plus icon, the value got saved here. This way you can save your XPath and selectors here, and whenever you want, let's say you close the Selectors Hub and you go to any other web page or anywhere you are, and when you open Selectors Hub again you want to access those values which you have saved, you just click on this and the value you will find it here. Any of the value again you want to access, you just click on them, the value will come here, you can add it or copy and use it in your code. So this way you can save the XPath and selectors value right there in Selectors Hub and save your time. You will not have to go back and forth, open notepad, come back here and do again those things. No, you need not to do that. Same thing is available in the pro version as well. Like if you can say that, see here, like you can save the value here and whenever you want you can access that. Like let's say you are writing XPath for this one. Here you want to save this, click on this, the value will be saved here and you can get it here. You can have here in pro version you get the edit, copy and delete option, any of the value you want, while in free version you have this, like you can save the value. So this way you can save a good amount of time and you will not have to like back and forth open notepad. This is like a quite a tricky and innovative thing in like which helps a lot while editing and writing your own XPath and selectors. If you are writing like long XPath, preceding sibling, following sibling, like those kind of XPath, and you want to do a lot of changes or optimization, or you want to do some practice, in that case this is a really good feature where you can save the value in selector sub itself, and whenever you want you can access them. I hope you like this feature, and you will definitely save good amount of time with this. And like it is a quite a tricky and useful thing when you write your own XPath or do the practices. Thank you. Do let us know your thought in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on Selector Sub channel. Thank you.